So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about shy Havertz, dry Havertz, why Havertz. How about that man Havertz, that guy Havertz? Shut up. That guy, dickheads. Anyway, big up to everyone watching. As you can see, I'm in a playful mood today. Very playful mood. I'm not happy about this signing one bit, but we are going to go through it. We are going to see some of the stuff that's been said. It has been officially announced, albeit the official video was leaked the day before. What person? Because there could only have been a select amount of people that knew how to get access to that video. So there needs to be heads rolling off of that. Whoever leaked that, yeah, that's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But there it is. There it is. That's what it is. It is what it is. Make sure you are smashing the likes. Big up for over 84K, nearly 84.2. So thank you very much. I do appreciate that. Keep smashing it. Keep flying the likes up, sharing the content, get your comments in, get your super chats in. I do appreciate all of that. Sub to the second channel, Lee Reacts. Dropped a video about Caicedo, Man United. So go and have a look at that. And let's talk about Kai Havertz. The German international Kai Havertz has joined us from Chelsea on a long-term contract. The 24-year-old has been a key player both for club and the international level in recent seasons and has already got 35 appearances for the German national team, scoring 13 times within two major tournaments. Havertz is a graduate of Bayer Leverkusen's academy, where he signed his first professional contract in 2016. During his 4 years at Bayer Leverkusen, Havertz made 150 appearances, scoring 46 goals and assisting 31 times. In October 2016, Kai became Leverkusen's youngest ever debutant in the Bundesliga at 17 years, 126 days. Also went on to become their youngest ever goal scorer, scoring a late equaliser in a 3-3 draw versus Wolfsburg in April 2017. In summer 2020, Havertz moved to the Premier League, signing for Chelsea. During his 3 seasons in West London, he made 139 appearances, scored a whopping 32 goals, and assisted 15 times in all competitions. Kai notably scored the only goal of the match in Chelsea's victory over Man City in the Champions League 2021 final. Sporting director Edu said, "We're excited to bring Kai to the club, and great work by everyone to get the deal complete. Kai is an exciting addition, and it will bring great attacking quality and versatility." Have a shot every time you hear versatility or versatile. Cheers, guys. As an experienced 24-year-old, his signing represents another important step in strengthening our young core of talented players. Oh dear. We look forward to working with Kai. Manager Mikel said Kai is a player of top quality. He has great versatility. Have a shot. He is an intelligent player. He brings a huge amount of extra strength to our midfield. So we're playing Kai Havertz in midfield. It is actually happening. It is true. Because I thought this was all a gimmick. I thought it was all a joke. Like, we're playing, oh my days. We're actually playing Kai Havertz as a number 8. Buckle up, people. It's about to get peak. We've got an inverted fullback on that side, and now we've got Kai Havertz. Any competent right winger destroys both of them. There we go. Anyway, we welcome Kai and his family to the football club, and we're excited about working with him and starting pre-season training. Our new signing said, "It's super exciting for me to be joining an amazing club and to be part of the Arsenal family." Ah, isn't that nice? Yeah, seeing as we're a family, Kai, do you want to drop 100 grand in my bank, mate? Yeah, thought so. Yeah, this club has such a big history, and I hope we can achieve a lot of things. The mentality in the Arsenal squad is very high. Really? They're all banging on about top 4, mate. What is he chatting about? The mentality in the squad is very high. They're all waffling about top 4. Top 4 was overachieving last season. But anyway, This is one of the reasons why it was being so hard to play against Arsenal recently. The aim is to win trophies. Oh, Kai, don't tell him that, mate. And I'm going to give everything to do that for the supporters and everyone at the club. I'm now looking forward to meeting all the players and staff when I come back for pre-season. Kai joins up with his teammates for pre-season in early July and will wear number 29. Everyone at Arsenal welcomes Kai Havertz. So Kai Havertz is saying the aim is to win trophies. Wow, it's almost like he understands the aim of elite sport. He understands the aim. So in the space of a week, this manager has said the achievement would have been winning the league. That's what his words, Arteta. And now our first signing of the season, of the summer, has said the aim is to win trophies. It's almost like I've been right all along. Like, just leave your apologies down below, all you inverted weirdos that don't think winning matters. Why do all these people keep coming out saying winning? We need trophies. We need to win. Yeah? Cool. Anyway, let's continue. Smash the like button. This team has a family mentality, says Kai Havertz. He said, he's revealed his excitement in joining the Arsenal family in his first interview with us since becoming a Gunner. I was waiting for him to go, "Yah, Gunners, yah." The 24-year-old German international made the move from West London by joining us from Chelsea after 3 years at Stamford Bridge, and he is already eager to meet his new teammates. Making friends already, Kai? Speaking exclusively to Arsenal.com, Kai said, "It's super exciting for me personally. I'm so glad to join this amazing club, big history, and we want to achieve lots of things. I'm looking forward to meeting the players, the staff, and yeah, it's going to be exciting." We asked our newest recruit about his past experiences playing against us during his time at Chelsea, and he admitted it was always a challenging experience, citing our family mentality as a crucial factor. Fuck off. Family mentality. What's that got to do with kicking a ball? Oh, it's a family. I think the family mentality that the team has on the pitch is one of the reasons why it's so hard to play against Arsenal. Really? Well, Southampton didn't find it difficult, did they? Or Brighton? Or Man City? Or West Ham? Or Brentford? Or Newcastle? I guess they have it off the pitch as well. So the team mentality in the squad is very, very high. You can feel that. Obviously, there's so many talented players, and there's a big room to achieve big things as well. Kai has chosen to wear 29 that he has had throughout his professional career. We quizzed the man on the significance behind his lucky number. Here we go. Let's listen to this BS. I had this now for many years, said Kai. I chose it when I became a professional in Germany, and since then it's always given me luck. When I became a professional, I took it because some history with my brother. We used to take it always when we played some video games together, so I think it's the perfect number. Wow, what a great story. Next season will mark our return to the Champions League after 6 years, and the competition that Kai knows all too well, having scored the decisive goal in the final. Our number 29 is excited to take the pitch against Europe's elite once more, but this time in our red and white. Said, I think the Champions League is a special tournament, and I think every footballer loves to play there. I was fortunate to win the trophy, and for me, it was the best feeling I've ever had. To play in there again next season with Arsenal is very exciting for me. Hopefully, I can bring some good attributes to the team. Hopefully, to win the trophy again, because I think it is the most special trophy to win. Yeah, but Kai, it's not about winning trophies, mate. It's about taking part. Now that Kai has joined the club, we are offering supporters a chance to win a brand new Kai Havertz shirt. No thanks. No thanks. Good luck to anyone who does, but not for me. Let's see what else we've got. Kai Havertz is in a rush for glory. Well, why has he joined Arsenal then? Why has he joined Arsenal if he's in a rush for glory? Let's have a look. Let's see what else we've got here. It's just a load of rubbish, really. Yeah, it's just like showing some of his old goals. Yeah, we're not really interested in any of that. Him lifting the Champions League, something this football club will never do. Let's have a look at some of this stuff. Okay. 13 facts that you might not know about Kai. Let's read this. The team Kai supported as a boy was Alemannia Aachen, who competed in the Bundesliga in 06-07 and are known as the Potato Beatles. Germans are weird, aren't they? I can't lie. The Germans. The potato Beatles. the potato Beatles. Due to their yellow and black kit. So where's the potato come into it? Despite this, despite them only staying in the top flight for one season, Kai and his family continued to support the team, whose academy he would join in 2009. We watched every game. Even when they slipped down the leagues, we watched every game every weekend. I always looked forward to the games at the weekend, both as a fan and back now as a player. Growing up, Kai's favourite players were Ronaldinho, Andre Iniesta, Zidane, Kaká, and former Liverpool striker Michael Owen. No, not Michael Owen or Fernando Torres. Instead, what? Not Michael Owen or Fernando Torres. Instead, Eric Meijer. How do you say that guy's name? Meijer. Shone brightest for Havertz. Made 27 appearances for Liverpool. Scored just twice. Fuck me. Get better fucking icons, mate. Like, come on. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Dramatic debut. On the day he became Leverkusen's youngest player, Kai had been eating breakfast in his family home in Maridorf when the phone call from the manager, Roger Schmidt, urged him to quickly head to Bremen as the midfielder Lars Bender was injured. Kai's mum whisked him to Leverkusen, where he was picked up by the chauffeur to take him to the game against Werder Bremen. In the 83rd minute, Kai found himself on the field and in the record books. Yay! Havertz's rapid ascension to buy Leverkusen's first team saw him break numerous records. Some have been superseded, with Florian Wirtz later becoming Leverkusen's youngest player and scorer, reaching 50 Bundesliga games at a younger age. However, Kai remains the youngest player in a century of appearances in the division. And his tally of 17 goals during the 18-19 season is still the most by any teenager in the German top flight season. In fact, only Jadon Sancho has scored more goals in Bundesliga as a teenager than Havertz did before he turned 20. Okay. Due to his rapid rise, Havertz ended up missing matches for Leverkusen due to his debut campaign because he had to study and complete his school exams, where he took sport, the Germans, geography, and maths. This included Leverkusen's Champions League round of 16 tie against Atletico, as well as a league match against Schalke. Kai admitted juggling football with school was tough. Oh, I can imagine, mate. Yeah, I mean, it's super. I mean, I don't know how you got through it, mate. Right. I mean, come on. Super tough. I don't want to talk about how well the exam went. Oh, my days. Champions League moments. Except the game against Atletico, Kai has an impeccable timing when it comes to Champions League. His debut in the competition came at Wembley, no less than when he came on as a substitute in a 1-0 win over Spurs. It would take him just under 4 years to score his first goal in Europe's Premier Tournament, but he picked up the perfect moment as it was the strike. Was that his first goal in the Champions League, the Champions League final? What? Anyway, during his Bundesliga days, Havertz was given the nickname Alice Connor. Alice Connor. The Germans have named him Alice Connor by the German media, meaning someone who can do anything. Okay, we shall see. This was due to his ability to do multiple things on the ball, as well as his tactical flexibility. Okay, good one. Okay. This translation of the British phrase, jack of all trades. How many are you a master of? Oh, yes. 0. Anyway, let's continue. Kai has many passions away from football. He started to learn to play the piano as he wanted to play an instrument, and it has become one of his favourite hobbies. I've always liked piano compositions. Seriously, I swear, the Germans are very off-key people. Oh, look, he's a dog lover. Fuck me. Don't tell the club. They'll have a banner up. He has a German Shepherd. He has cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, a horse. Oh, my days. Let's move on. Okay, we know about the number 29. Kai's move to Chelsea in September 2020 saw the West London club splash out a reported 72 million quid for his services, which means he's the most expensive of the Germans of all time. He smashed his previous record, which saw Chelsea parting with 45 for the fellow Bundesliga German, Timo Werner. Let's carry on. What else we got here? Deutschland dozen, the Germans. Kai will be the 12th the German to play for the football club. Ninkenpoop. The first was Alberto Mendes, who featured 11 times in 5 years. Stefan Moritz Volz would appear in the same time. Mesut Ozil, Lukas Podolski, per Mertesacker. I don't know why I'm not standing the Germans anymore. Skodran Mustafi, Jens Lehmann, Serge Gnabry, Bernd Leno, Thomas Eisfeld. There we go. He is the 12th the German to play for the football club. Let's hope he smashes it, because if he don't, he'll probably end up getting this manager the sack. We shall see. Anyway, I'm out of here, people. Have a blessed day. I'm still fuming with Sansi German, but it is what it is. Maybe you're less fuming. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Leave your comments down below. Super chats down below. Smash the likes. Sub to the channel. Sub to Lee Reacts, the second channel. Let's get that to 20k. We're flying past 16k. And this is en route to 85k. So get it done, people. And I'll be back again tomorrow with another couple of videos. So all have a blessed evening. I'm going to relax. Don't know what I fancy for dinner. I might have a curry. Don't know yet. Anyway, we're out of here. Adios, amigos. Ciao for now.